Hi students, first exercise before up to 5 problems completed. Now sixth question. In the given figure triangle ABC, write all possible ratios by taking measures of sides pairwise. Means the given right angle triangle here AB, BC, CA. Means these based on sides find some ratios. In triangle ABC, here observe ABC, here right angle. Then based on sides, they are asking ratios. AB is to BC. AB means 8. 8 is to 6. AB is to BC equal to 8 is to 6. Means here cancellation. Is to means nothing but divide. 2 4s, 2 3s. 4 is to 3. Like another side. BC is to AB. Now we can take BC is to AB. Means reverse take. BC means 6. 6 is to 8. Again 2 table cancellation. 2 3s, 2 4s. 3 is to 4. This is one of the ratio. Like that. Another one. BC is to CA. BC is to CA. Means 6 is to 10. BC is to CA. 6 is to 10. Means here also cancellation is there. 2 3s, 2 5s. 2 3s, 2 5s. 3 is to 5. Another one. CA is to BC. CA is to BC. Reverse right. CA is to BC. Means 10 is to 6. Now 2 table cancellation. 5 is to 3. 2 5s, 2 3s. 5 is to 3. Like that. Another side. CA is to AB. CA is to AB. CA means 10 is to 8. 2 5s, 2 4s. Like that. Next reverse take. AB is to CA. AB is to CA. Means 8 is to 10. Based on sides, we can take different types of sides. 2 4s, 2 5s. Like that. Means this is finally 4 is to 5. Like that all sides. Reverse also here taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means based on 3 sides, I written 6 types. 7th question. If 9 out of 24 students scored below 75% of marks in test, find the ratio of students scored below 75% of marks to the students who scored 75% of above marks. So they given 24 students scored below 75% of in test. 75% of marks in test. They given below percent. So scored above percent marks they given. Answer. Out of 24 students, who got below 75% of marks equal to 9. Who got 75% and above marks equal to 24 minus 9. We get 15. So 75% above marks 15 students. Now the ratio between number of students who got less than 75% of marks and who got 75% and above marks means totally 9:15. 9:15 equal to here 3 table cancellation, 3 3s, 3 5s means 3:5. Answer 3:5. 8th question. Find the ratio of number of vowels in the word Mississippi to the number of consonants in the simplest form. Means the given one of the word, in that number of vowels, number of consonants, and find their ratio. Number of vowels in the word Mississippi. Means in this word vowels equal to how many vowels are there? Vowels means A-E-I-O-U. For that A-E-I-O-U means only I letter will be here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times means 4. Vowels. What are vowels? A-E-I-O-U means in that only I letter will be. So I how many times? 4 times means vowels equal to 4. Same like number of consonants in that word means that remaining vowels remaining all consonants means except A-E-I-O-U remaining all consonants. Here totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So except I letter remaining all consonants 7. So what are that? So M, S, 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 P, P. That are. Here 4 letters what are? I. 4 times will be. So that is. Now the ratio between vowels and consonants equal to 4:7. Here 4:7. There is no cancellation. So simplest form up to here only understand. Answer. Ninth question. Rajendra and Rehana own a business. Rehana receives 25% of profit in each month. If Rehana received 2080 in particular month, so what is the total profit in the month? See this answer. Answer, total profit equal to X. Means let total profit equal to X. Means 25% of X equal to 2080. 20% of X equal to 2080. Here percent means by 100. 25 by 100. Half means into. X equal to 2080. For that here 25 table cancellation, 25 ones, 25 fours means 1 by 4 into X equal to 2080. X into 1. X by 4 equal to 2080. X equal to 2080 into 4. Here divide is there, send that side into. 2080 into 4. 8320. So this is rupees 8320 rupees. Then X equal to. So therefore X equal to 8320. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 2.2 centimeters, BC equal to 1.5 centimeters and AC equal to 2.3 centimeters. In triangle XYZ, XY equal to 4.4, YZ equal to 3 centimeters and XZ equal to 4.6. They given two types of triangles. triangle ABC, triangle XYZ. For that, find the ratio of AB is to XY. Means that numbers take AB means 2.2 is to XY means 4.4 is to nothing but by. So are the total lengths corresponding sides of triangle ABC and XYZ are in proportion. So see this answer. These two ABC triangle XYZ, another triangle. In that AB length given 2.2 centimeters, BC 1.5, AC 2.3, and another one XY 4.4, YZ 3, XZ 4.6. So according to first one, AB is to XY. AB is to XY means by, right? AB by XY. AB means 2.2 by 4.4. Here 2.2 ones, 2's. Here 22 by 44, like 22 ones, 22 2's. Like final answer 1 by 2. So like that, another one BC is to YZ. BC is to YZ is to nothing but by. BC by YZ. BC means 1.5 by 3 equal to 1.5 means 15 by 10. Otherwise here 3, 1.5 plus 1.5 we get 3, 3.0. 3 means nothing but 3.0. Here cancellation final after 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Next another one AC is to XZ. Means AC by XZ. AC means 2.3 by 4.6. 2.3 by 4.6 means 1 by 2. Here all are equal means therefore AB by XY equal BC by YZ equal AC by XZ. Means all sides are equal. Means the corresponding sides of both the triangles are in proportion. Are in proportion means what? Here 2 are proportion means therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. These two triangles are in proportion means triangle ABC is proportional to triangle XYZ.